I sure love bunnies. What? But ow! On my face. Ah! Mm. Damn it. I'm so happy that damn bunny's out of my life. What the hell? What are you doing? You are one ugly bunny. Like, you're gonna really shoot me.